Hi, this is Matt from VSS. I want to tell you, why is it worth having Ghost 2 fitted in your vehicle? Well, first of all, it's protecting your vehicle from key cloning, key theft and relay box attack, which are the most common methods of stealing the vehicle these days. You don't have to carry any tags. All you do is use your unique pin to start the vehicle. I'll show you now. So we have the keys inside. If we try to start now, foot on the brake and start, nothing happens. Now in order to start it, we need to put it in ignition and enter our secret code. The code could be any factory fitted buttons on the steering wheel, windows, some of the central console. At this time we're using minus, plus, and as an example, wait for confirmations, to blink of indicators, foot on the brake, start. Simple as that. There's also a convenience feature like service mode, so if you're dropping the car off for any work, you can switch the Ghost off because you don't want to share your code with anyone, obviously. Also, you can pair the Ghost with your phone, so you don't have to enter the code every single time you get in and out of the vehicle. Ghost can pick your phone up and then you can just drive off straight away. Thank you.